Well, now this is the pair of dessert plates. I say dessert plates, they're 9 and 5/8 inch diameter. So by modern standards, they're dinner plates really, but I'm sure they would have made these in 10.5 inch full dinner plate size for the time, because these date from around 1820 through to 1840. No manufacturer's marks on any of the pieces that came to us in this set. As you can see, absolute plain bases. Just look, while we're looking at this base, of the depth of that base rim plate, and it's quite a sharp edge on that. I mean, it's not sharp, but in terms of surviving for what, 200 years, it's quite unusual to find them in such good condition without chips and nicks in them, and these are absolutely beautiful condition. And just look at the glaze again, condition wise, on the base of these. Felspar porcelain, hand coloured and decorated. Little bit of antique wear on the plate surface, as you would expect. These are 200 years old. Little bit fine glaze crazing on just one of these, just around there, but no staining whatsoever. And this is just such a striking green and turquoise design. Not seen anything quite like this for many years, for them to come through and be in such fine condition. Beautiful, probably Copeland Garrett, 9 and 5/8 inch diameter, date from 1820s through to 1840s in Felspar porcelain. So translucent but thick, heavy, early English porcelain designs. Available from the Vintage and Antiques website, and if you follow the link in the description below, if you found these plates by looking at YouTube, we'll take you through to the website listing with all the details, pricings and availability, so you can make an informed decision as to whether these should enter your personal prized collections. Thanks for watching.